Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In every part of the world you are listening to me now, I wish you all good and well. Today, I'm going to be having my prediction on today's markets, what's going to be the outcome. So, I'm trading on XAU and USD. XAU, that is a good spot slash USD dollar. So, I'm going to be having, you can see the chart. You can see the support zone area, the support zone area, the under support zone, and you can see what rejection area, rejection area, and we can also have a rejection area here. So I'm going to draw to see how the prediction is going to be, how my prediction is going to be. Okay, okay. So you can see now it's going to draw that place. I'm going to draw. You can see. Uh, Yeah, get it? Okay. You can see under support here, under support here. So let me draw for that one too. So I pick under rectangle to use to draw the rejection zone here. So you can see. Now my prediction is this, or now say is getting back. The market is moving towards this direction. So the next thing that the market is going to respond is that either it shoots up or it comes to this particular zone. But we're having a higher probability here that it's going to shoot up. So if it's a respect this particular thing, is going to what? Is going to shoot up, and if it doesn't respect this barrier, it's going to what? It's going to come down. So happy trading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Thank you very much and welcome.